Hey folks, welcome to my channel Susaritas. Today I'm going to make a healthy morning snack with avocado and egg. The ingredients needed are as follows. So the first ingredient is the egg. I'm using scrambled egg. You can either use boiled or scrambled egg, it's up to you. You can just use egg whites if you like, but I prefer the whole egg. Next, I'm using avocados. This is one big husk avocados. It's very tasty. Now tomatoes, lemon or lime, pepper powder, salt for taste. So now I'm just going to add all the ingredients in a separate bowl so it's easy to mix. So I've got a scrambled egg. You can use just the egg whites if you have high cholesterol, but I prefer the whole egg. So I'm cutting the avocados. I've already removed the skin and I've also removed the seed. So we are going to cut it into very small pieces. So husk avocados are the tastiest avocados, and now is the season, so it's huge. So if you have a small one, just use one avocado. I'm using a big avocado, so I'm just using half of it. I just love avocados. You can use it even more than half if you like. It is rich in healthy fats and hence it supports skin health and also supports immune health. Now I'm going to dice it into small bite-sized pieces. So rich and creamy. You can read more about it in my blog. I'm going to add this to the bowl. Now I'm going to do the same for the tomatoes as well. You can use cherry tomatoes if you have it available, but any kind of tomatoes works fine because tomatoes are really very good for health. So research says that it reduces the risk of heart attacks and also it prevents cancer. So I'm going to follow the research and then I'm going to add more tomatoes in my food and now in my morning snack. I'll add the diced tomatoes in a bowl. So next is lemon juice. Lemon juice is again very good for health. It promotes weight loss. I'm just using like 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. You can reduce it or you can add more. It's according to your taste. It's just like salt, but it definitely brings out some amazing flavors from the tomatoes, avocados and eggs. So the combination is really good. It not only tastes good, but it's also healthy. I did not season my eggs, so I'm adding a little bit of salt. If you already seasoned your egg while making scrambled eggs or boiled egg, you see to that if you want more salt, because too much salt will be very salty and it will not taste good. Add a little bit of pepper. If you do not like it to be too spicy, just avoid the pepper. It's totally optional, but I like to give a nice touch of pepper flavor to my morning snack, so I added a little bit. Mix it well. That's it. It's so easy to make and it's a healthy morning snack. So if you eat all this in the morning, you'll feel full till evening. So I usually skip my lunch when I eat the snack, so I feel so full. This way you can reduce the calorie intake and promote weight loss. Thank you for watching. Please support me by subscribing it to my channel. Also visit my blog. I have left you the link in my description box below.